coming from?
Fantasia.
So we are about to do
B.A.P.
Yes, sir. Rain sound music video.
I'm so excited.
Yes, I was not expecting this so soon at the beginning of the year.
Apparently they invested a lot of money in this music video.
Oh, so you did that?
I thought it was this. I thought it was a music video.
Okay, so apparently there's 3 things we're supposed to be looking out for. Their new hair, their emotions that they're portraying, you know, this first time they actually done something like super serious, and also the coolness of the music video itself. So all the stuff that led up to this, yeah, like I'm surprised. I'm surprised that you know, I'm not like full out.
It's because it's 1:29 in the morning. But I am very excited that they are coming.
It's so exciting.
But their music video, you always have something to look forward to with B.A.P.
Alright, so here we go with Rain Sound by B.A.P. Interesting. What's going on here?
About this. I did not understand anything.
Yeah.
I am the most confused little girl right now.
Who set that one up too good for me?
Shut up.
First I want to just say, I have issues with like main characters or people I like in shows or music videos. I don't like for them to die in the music videos or shows.
Looked like they were getting paintballed, actually, but they were getting shot. But it looked like paintball. Anyway, they were getting shot.
Yeah, so this was the music video they put before their pre-release. It's definitely deeper, but it might just be a little
confusing.
So
I didn't get it.
Only thing I understood was anger and more chairs being thrown. Yeah, and Zero was crying.
Him-chan cried too.
Yeah, Him-chan.
But I really don't understand the music video at all.
We're at a loss for words.
I mean,
I like their hair.
There was green rain.
The video later at the end, because there won't be any more substance. The hair, nice. I think half and half. So 3 had like blue hair, and the other 3 had like what was that, sandy blonde?
Or why we?
I don't know.
It wasn't spectacular. It was nothing.
That's just what they said.
Someone said pay attention to their hair. It wasn't nothing that'll blow me off my chair.
I know. I don't know what I was expecting.
Neither their wardrobe didn't blow me off my chair either. It was simple.
I like that Spanish guitar they put in there.
Is it to see how they changed from their, no mercy, power, warrior?
Yeah, they've done extremely strong
tough stuff.
And then they threw in 2 Agios with Stop It and Crash doesn't really count as an Agio. That was just their documented life. So they've done the cute Agio thing, and this is going to show their serious side.
So more manly side.
And their acting skills. That was also just what that was for too. I don't know.
That's it though. That's it. There was no female in this. There was a fake, and there was a fake bed. Yeah, in the back on the hospital. What were they? They had the little thingy, the little thingy that drops liquid that you get at the hospital. They had that. No, I don't get it. I thought of something.
You thought you had something? Okay, so this is the least amount of comments.
Maybe there's a woman that died.
That still doesn't make sense.
I'm just throwing stuff out there.
I'm a little bit lost.
Green Rain.
I'm gonna have to look up the lyrics. Super duper this one.
I've never seen Green Rain before until tonight.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Rain sound. Oh, is that a play on words? Rain sounds, but they were all crying. Why did I sound congested?
Is rain sound like crying?
When the person cried and the teardrop.
Yeah.
Was that a play?
Why are they crying? Why are they crying? But even still, I should be able to know what's going on for the music video, to portray, and I just didn't get it.
So this is the first. Second, because I was confused with Stop It, actually. Just a little bit, but
not a lot, baby.
So there's nothing I can really say. B.A.P. Y'all still my homeboys, but because this song is so sad, I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on my iPod. I don't want to have a flashback.
A flashback of what?
The music video and them getting shot. I have issues. But you know what? I got 0 to 0 on my iPod.
I love that song.
So I'll get over it, no doubt. Well, and I got I Remember on my iPod.
I love that song. I blast that. Yes, I bump that.
So it will end up on my iPod, just not right away. I need to cope with
Maybe
you guys
I should
being
watch
shot.
it again.
Not now.
To see what
Okay, so thanks for the new subscriber.
Thanks, new subscriber.
Thank you. Hi.
You're the best.
Why do you have that on your head? I just noticed that.
I was confused, so I decided to do that.
That's one of those. Scratch the head.
I was confused, so I put it in my head.
Yeah, so. Yeah, so. Okay, bye. Don't forget to
comment,
like,
subscribe, and also don't forget to tell us what you thought of B.A.P.
rain sound. Okay. See you guys later. Can't wait for this.
Okay.